So the title of my message this morning is The Mother's Mantle. En ek hoop ons almal verstaan wat 'n mantle is. 'n Mantle is 'n gewigtige ding wat oorgedra word van een persoon na die volgende persoon. But first I would like to start with motherhood. What is motherhood? It is our first ministry. It is ministry that is assigned to us by God. Sometimes we look at other people, other women especially, we compare ourselves and then we think, oh, you're in the pulpit, you're in the workplace, you're there, you always have the mic in your hand. But for me, I've come to learn that my first ministry is in my house, is my children.